We're here at IWF 2018 showing off our new precision digital stroke gauge. We designed this in-house to help you service your spindle in the field. Tim's going to show you how to use this in your facility.
Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a stroke on an HSK clamp group using our new precision digital stroke gauge. So to get started, you want to actuate your spindle, open the tool as if it was ready to receive a new tool. And what we're going to do is take our gauge and set it down against the face and zero it out. Easiest thing to do then is get a flat surface, your machine table, something, and set it down. Okay, in this case, this is an F63 made by Hiteco, XLHS 110, and the specification is 10.8 millimeters, and we have 11.06. So what we're going to do is come in here, and there's a set screw inside this clamp group. We're going to loosen that up, and then we're going to adjust what we call a bullet, looking for 10.8. I'm going to zero again. Oops. And take a look. 10.72. So I went a little far. Open back up a little bit here. .79. Good. We have a plus or minus 0.05 tolerance on this. Let me go ahead and tighten this down. And we're going to check it again. .78, right in the window. Last thing we're going to do is make sure we have enough clamp force that the spring segments inside the spindle aren't worn out. Use the power check, make sure it's zeroed out. The specification is 11 kilonewtons for this, and we have 11.5. Last thing you want to do is just give it a general listen, make sure it sounds smooth, actuates well, no gripper fingers are damaged or broken, and you're good to go.
As you can see, this is a very valuable product to help you keeping your spindle running for a long time and safely. If you'd like to purchase one, visit our website at spindlerepair.com.